Here's what I found out, though, and I traveled the world, guys, and this is what I'm going to share with you this afternoon. I'm not going to teach you some great business strategies and some things that work today, some things that I'm applying. But I've trained 6 million people, 60,000 people a month for 7 years, from 2001 to 2007, and I never have found that any average person like us in the room here has an issue understanding how to add up rents and deduct expenses and see if there's positive cash flow, that's profit. I've never had anybody really have a problem with basic business principles. How to get one started, how to get financing, using other people's money. There's a whole host of those strategies. Here's what I find the problem is. And this happened to me for the first time in my life 3 years ago. The problem that I see is what happens in between the ears. And that is, all we know is what our mom, dad, brother, sister, preacher, teachers put in our brain. If mom and dad was never wealthy, then they couldn't teach you about wealth. So this is the kind of message we get. Go to work, get a good job, you'll get your paycheck, pay your bills on time, don't try anything too risky, and everything will be okay. Is that a message that we get? Now, if we grew up in a family, you know, like a Russ Whitney family or a Donald Trump family or what have you, we would get a completely different message. And the message we get as middle class, to go to work, get a job, charge our charge cards up, pay them off a little bit of time, will keep us poor forever. Does that make sense?